Attention UK parents, are you ready to set your child on the path to success in their 11+ exams? At I Love to Learn, we understand the importance of this milestone in your child's academic journey. That's why we've created a comprehensive tutoring programme designed to help your child reach their full potential and excel in the 11+ exams. Our team of expert tutors are experienced in guiding students through every step of the preparation process.
The 3 words I would use to describe Love to Learn are caring, professional and fun.
They use the most modern techniques. It seems to be really engaging. Certainly my son has benefited from it.
With I Love to Learn, your child will receive individual attention, tailored study plans and proven strategies to tackle each subject. Our interactive learning activities make studying enjoyable, encouraging a love for learning that goes beyond the exams. Don't wait. Give your child the best chance of success in the 11+ exams. Visit our website and sign up for your free assessment today.